China is gearing up for a monumental space mission. A full-scale rehearsal for the Shenzhou-21 manned spacecraft launch took place at the Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center, leaving the world on the edge of its seat. But this isn't just any routine practice. It's a pivotal moment in the mission's journey. The launch center has been transformed into a cutting-edge facility, with officials confirming its readiness for the big day. The site has undergone a remarkable evolution, boasting upgraded infrastructure and optimized procedures. But here's where it gets fascinating. A brand new data and operations center has been established, designed with centralized deployment and functional zoning in mind. This innovative approach, as Hu Yonggang from the Launch Center revealed, enables remote operations and monitoring, making every detail visible and manageable. The team has left no stone unturned in their preparations. They've implemented a meticulous maintenance strategy, tailoring inspections to the unique needs of each facility and piece of equipment. This shift from broad coverage to precise control is a game changer. And this is the part most people miss. The launch tower's temperature control is a delicate dance, crucial for the rocket's environment and propellant safety. The technical experts have meticulously crafted a system to ensure optimal conditions for rocket testing and launch. Zhang Fan sheds light on their strategy, emphasizing the power of big data. By harnessing real-time insights, they can dynamically adapt maintenance routines, aligning them with the precise needs of various systems. This data-driven approach elevates the efficiency and quality of ground equipment management. As the world awaits with bated breath, the China Manned Space Agency hints at a launch in the near future. The Shenzhou-21's journey is not just a scientific endeavor, but a testament to human ambition and innovation. Will this mission push the boundaries of space exploration? The countdown has begun, and the excitement is palpable.